Testing. One, two, three. Hey, this is Dan with InterPC Computers, and I want to start doing a series of videos on artificial intelligence and how it's going to affect tax planners and financial advisors, bookkeepers. There's a lot of great tools out there that are being used, and I wanted to get you on board with using some of these applications to help run your business. So really understanding the significance of AI is going to be crucial if you want to keep up with the pack for the next coming years. In fact, I do have a graph here which is showing the trends since 2023 of how the usage has gone up. And right now we're approaching 200 million users by the end of 2025. So it's a dramatic shift in the way people are doing business. So I do want to give you a warning. If you're going to be using some of these apps, you want to watch out for the way how they're getting you hooked. There's no other way of putting it. There are annual lock-ins that they have you when you sign up. So be sure if you're going to have a subscription, they're mostly all subscription-based applications. And there's going to be two types. There's going to be monthly and annual. Do the monthly if you're going to do any, because then you can cancel it. In fact, what I do is just sign up for the monthly and then immediately cancel it so you don't get dinged on that credit card for $30, $40, $50. There are some applications that are going to be user-based or usage-based, so depending on the number of resources that it's being used to create what you're trying to do with the AI, you'll be billed a certain number of credits. And finally, I found that they're saying everything in the advertising, you can do this, you can do that, and you go in, you try the free version for a couple of days, and wow, you can't get that one feature that they're really talking about in the advertising, and that's because you're on the freemium limitation, and so you really need to purchase that big subscription in order to use the function that you're looking for that you saw in the advertising. So just be a little careful when you're trying these different programs out. Some of the programs that we're going to be going through are going to be BotKeeper, Vic.ai, Dot, Trulion, and Zenny. I'd like to take a look at TaxGPT, and there's another one called CPA Pilot, which is very interesting. I met the CEO of that a couple of weeks ago at a trade show. So I'd like to just give you snippets of what these look like, a little piece at a time so you don't get overwhelmed. And that's it. This is my story for now. Dan with InterPC. If you have any questions, comments, leave them in the link below or you can email me. And yeah, let's get into this AI and see how we can start helping you. Have a great day. Bye.